Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathak from Gnanaji Vidyapit, Standard 3rd. So, students, today we'll start bar graph. Okay, read the bar graph and answer the following questions. So, how can we do that things that I'll show you here. Now, look at this title. Here is a title: favorite color of kids, number of the kids, and colors: blue, orange, yellow, green, and pink. Okay, now in that we have to give some questions and you have to give the answer. First, let's read the value of each bar. So 1, 9, 10, 6 and 6. Blue 1, orange 9, yellow 10, green 6, pink 6. How many kids like yellow? 10. How many? Let's check it. Identify the yellow bar and see the number of the horizontal line. 10 kids like the yellow color. Which color is liked by 1 kids? Blue. Which one is there? The color blue is like only 1 kids. Which 2 colors are liked by the same number of kids? So in that same number of kids, which one are there? Blue and green and pink. Which one is that? Green and pink. Next worksheet. Okay. The bar graph which have the same height will be liked by the same number of kids. That one pink and green color, same heights of this like by the number of kids. Okay students, now look at this. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, representing a bar graph. How to represent the bar graph? So in that the following table show the number of the toys that the 3 kids have. Show this on a bar graph. Reena 4, Hari 8, same 2. How we show that? Find the data group and highest score. Okay students, now step 2, draw the line and write the names. Step 3, draw a bar graph for the reading. Now let's draw a bar graph now. Now what we have to do? Data, number of the toys, group, kids, and highest score 8 is there. Okay, so in that draw 2 lines in a L shapes, one standing line and one sleeping line. So this is a standing line, one is a sleeping line. In that standing line we have to write the number of the toys. What we have to write? The number of the toys. And in the sleeping line we have to write their kids. What we have to write there? Kids are there. Okay, now next, number of the toys 0 to 10 are there. How many are there? 0 to 10 are there. Now height of the bar graph will be same of the data than Reena. Reena is a 4, so we have to draw one bar graph that touch on the 4. Then we have to write that Reena. Second one, Harry 8 and same 2 is there. So like this we have to draw the bar graph. Now look at this bar graph everyone. Write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now the following table show the number of the different flowers in a garden. Represent the data in a bar graph. Now rose 12 are, lily 5, sunflower 15, marigold 8 is there. Okay, so how will show that? We have to draw a vertical and horizontal line, number of the flowers, number of the different flowers in a garden. Then rose, how many are there? 12. So we have to write there 12. Lily, there is how many are there? 5. So what we have to write here? 5. Sunflower, total number of the sunflower in a garden 15 are there. So we have to write here 15. Marigold, how many are there? Marigold 8 is there. So we have to write here 8. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your rough notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, quiz time. Okay, now answer the following questions in a pair. Who will have a 3 time? Now I'll asking some question. Make the following amount using the list number of the knots. A chocolate 18 rupees, 800 rupees. 1 knots rupees 500, 1 knots 200 and 1 knots rupees 100. 500 plus 200 plus 100, that's called 800. Now Anu has a rupees 215 and her friends has rupees 195. How much money do Anu and her friends in total? So what we have to do? We have to follow the narrow methods. Okay, Anu has a rupees 215 and her friends has rupees 195. So how much money do Anu and her friends in total? So what we have to do? How much money do Anu and her friends in total? So here we have to draw 215 and 195. Total we have to find total. So we added 215 and 195. So in that 5 plus 5 0, 1 is a carryover. 5 plus 5 10, we have to write here 0, 1 is a carryover. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. So here we have to write 1, 1 is a carryover. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So we have to write here 4. 410. 410 is the correct answer. Anu and her friends have a rupees 410. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now next question. Gaurav has a rupees 874. Umang has rupees 235. How much more money does Gaurav have? So here we have to underline 874, 235. Keywords is the more money. What they are asking how much more money does Gaurav have? Here we have to draw 2 boxes. In that we have to write 874 and 235. Then how much more money? So we have to do subtraction. 4 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 7, write there 6. Cut 4, write here 14. 14 minus 5, 9 is there. Then 6 minus 3, 3 is there. 8 minus 2, 6 is there. So Gaurav has rupees 639 more than Umang. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Now next, how many sandwiches are there? Sandwiches 5, 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 4, 29. Now look at this. How many are there? 29. Next question. How many trees are there? One tree is equal to 15. 15 plus 15, 100, 100 plus 15, 115, 115 plus 15, 200 and that. So answer is 15 into 4 is equal to answer is 200. Now next, one tree is equal to 100, 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 100, 400, 400 plus 1, 500, 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 1, 700, 7 into 100, 700, 700 is the correct answer. Fruits and number of the kids are there. So in that orange, banana, pears and apples. So 6 kids like orange. How many kids like banana? There is a 2 kids. 2 kids, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. How many kids like banana and pears together? 5 kids are there. Next question. How many more kids like apple than pear? 4 minus 3. Answer is 1. Got it? So like that you have to give the answers. Okay everyone? Now look at this students. Representing bar graph are there. Representing bar graph are there. So in that the following data show the numbers and toys that 3 kids have show this on a bar graph. Reena, Hari and Sam 4, 6 and 3. Now in that what we have to do here, number of the toys and kids. Reena 4 toys, Hari 6 toys and Sam 3 toys are there. Okay, now look at everyone and write it down. Okay students, now look at this worksheet number 23 is there. Draw the bar graph and then answer the following question. The gardener from our school observe that following number of the creatures. Let's make a bar graph using the informations she gave answers and questions. So in that here is the ladybird, grasshopper, dragonfly and butterfly. There are the 7 ladybird, 3 grasshopper, 5 dragonfly and 9 butterfly. Now what we have to do students? We have to draw the bar graph. There are the 7 ladybirds. So we have to write here crystals and number of the crystals. In that 0 to 10 are there. Ladybirds 7. We have to draw bar 1 7. Second one grasshopper 3 is there. Dragonfly, how many are there? 5 is there. Butterfly 9 is there. So this is a bar graph. This bar graph you have to look at this students. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. After that we have to start question answers. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you question answers. In that question number first, which Christians was the highest in the number butterfly? Which Crux was the least in the number grasshopper? How many dragonfly did she see? 5. Are there more butterflies or more grasshoppers in your school garden? Butterfly. Which one is there? Butterfly. How many ladybirds we seen? So there are the 7 are there. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I will give you one is you have to complete your work, students. I hope so students your work is complete now. Now look at the worksheet number 24, representing bar graph. This bar graph you have to your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 24 and send it to me before 3 o'clock. This is your homework. You have to complete the worksheet number 24 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.